Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen with Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I am here on the Holistic Life Farm. And I am so excited to be here because this is a farm that's actually owned by a good friend of mine. It's Dr. Paul Jensen, and he's been my chiropractor for many, many years. And the funny thing is we ended up living within about 2 blocks of each other when we were in Utah, and then he moved here to Oregon and has been living and building out this 18-acre farm that's just incredible. We've been going to meet everybody. We met his baby goats. He has some Nigerian dwarf goats that they milk and they make cheese, and that's all the milk that they have. They also have some miniature Dexter cows that they use for really pasture control and mowing and keeping everything very fertile. They have a bunch of chickens that they're using in chicken tractors. They have new chicks that are just growing up to take the place of chickens as they quit laying. And then they have a whole herd of sheep that are actually also doing pasture control. They just had baby sheep born yesterday, 2 little lambs that we just saw, and it's amazing what they're doing here. And as I discussed with his wife, Kim, why they're doing this, she said really it was just to get away from the busy of the busy suburban lifestyle. They really love to just do things organically and grow all their own food. He's always been an amazing gardener wherever he's lived, and I just really admire what they're doing. So check them out. They have some great things that they can offer you, as well as some hip camp locations. If you don't know what a hip camp is, look it up. And they're quite busy actually with hip campers that come, and they teach them and give them a farm experience while they're here as well. So Holistic Life Farm, it's amazing here. It's in Northern Oregon, and we're just enjoying our time visiting with some good friends.